Being a student is hard, but being a broke student is much worse. That is why in today's video I'm going to be listing several businesses that you can start while you're in school. Okay, disclaimer, this is not some get rich quick kini. This is not some passive income BS. You will actually need to work hard, okay, but not too hard, because you're in school and school comes first. All right, so if you're with me and you're ready to put in the work and make that money, I'm going to need you to watch to the very end, because trust me, I promise you, from everything I'm mentioning, there is something you can start doing. There's a business that you can start for this. There's something for everybody, okay? Whether you're lazy, hardworking, young, old, boy, girl, they, them, there is something for you to start. There's a business that you can literally start tomorrow, okay? The best part is that you don't have to worry too much about the marketing, about looking for my customer. That's not necessary, because everything I'm going to mention is something a student needs. So you already have customers around you. You just need to tell them what you're doing. So not to waste too much time, let's just get into the video. First on my list is tutoring. Everybody wants to pass, and if you can help them pass, amazing. If there's a course or courses that you know very well and you know that you can actually teach other people, then you can charge people a fee and tutor them. I think it's going to be a plus if you are at least a level or 2 levels ahead. They would trust that, okay, this person actually knows what they're doing. You can get your classmates to vouch for you that this girl is actually very, very intelligent. You can even do groups. You can just meet like a group of people, tell them that, oh, I will tutor all of you for 2 hours for 5k. They would even be happy, because at least they know each other. It could still be fun. They could divide the money, and you two also make some money. So yeah, consider tutoring. Next on my list is graphic design. This one says if you can even have clients outside of school, because it's a remote thing, but even within school, yeah, you can go meet your student representative council, maybe the head of the church workers in your school, your department president, all these people, and tell them that, oh, see, I do design. So when you guys have events, I can design your flyers for you. I can do all those things for you, and if you're really good, then they'll be willing to pay you. Shameless plug, but I'm actually a graphics designer. I do flyers, social media posts, book covers, business cards, and a whole lot more. So if you're actually going to start a business and you need someone to design a flyer for you, hit me up. I'm your girl. I'm gonna leave my Instagram handle in the description box, so just message me there. Okay. People hardly start this business, but it's a gold mine, and that's printing and photocopy. Now let me ask you something. How many times have you procrastinated doing an assignment or a project or whatever, and then realize that, oh my gosh, it's due tomorrow, and have you printed this stuff, but the bookshops are closed, and maybe you even have class, say your class is even before the bookshop will open. Maybe your class is 8 or 7, but bookshop opens by 9. What are you going to do? Like, how many times does that happen to you? That happens all the time with students, but that won't happen anymore. Why? Because you are going to start printing and photocopying in the hostel and saving their lives and charging people for it, and they would be super grateful. So if you have a printer in your house, photocopy machine in your house, take it to school. Trust me, this thing makes so much money, because students procrastinate a lot, but you're going to be there to save their neck. Makeup. Do I even have to say more? Girls love looking good, okay? There are several school events, or even things at church, or even parties outside school, and they want to look good for them, but they do not have the strength to learn how to do the makeup by themselves, and they do not have to buy the products themselves. But you are going to be there. You are going to be there, and you are going to do the makeup for them, and you are going to help them, and they are going to be grateful. So if you know how to do makeup, start doing makeup. I don't know why you've not started, but start doing it today. Advertise. Just tell people that, oh, I do makeup for your matriculation, for your convocation, for church, for your dinner party. Okay, make that money. So people may not want to start this business I'm about to mention because of pride, but auntie, uncle, when you're hungry, it's Gary you will soak. You will not soak your pride. Your pride does not taste like chicken, okay? What I'm talking about is laundry services. There's some of you who actually find washing therapeutic. For some very strange reason, you actually find it therapeutic. You find ironing therapeutic. And then there are people like me, normal people, who do not like chores. See, I will actually give you my money if you wash my clothes. Dead ass. Like, there's so many people who they don't like it, or they don't have the time to, and would appreciate an affordable laundry service. So charge people for it. Advertise, make posters and post. Tell them you do a laundry service. Package it, even though all you're doing is just washing their clothes. You can have even different packages. Maybe just washing, that's one package. Washing, you know, and ironing, that's another package. Washing, ironing, and folding, that's another package. So just find a way to, you know, make it look good and make that money. Okay, next on the list is making hair. I don't want to talk too much, because if you can make hair, you're already making money. Like, I'm so sure of it. All you have to do is tell people and you already have customers, literally. I didn't include this in the original list, but for guys too, like, you guys gotta learn how to, you know, barb hair. I heard that the barbers in school are trash, so why don't you go and learn? Get clippers, take it to school, tell people, oh, like, I'm really good, I can give you some, you know, nice haircuts. And another thing you can do to make money is to start a WhatsApp TV. Okay, if you're someone who talks a lot, you already have a lot of contacts, you know where to get memes or educational videos or whatever, you know what's always happening in school, you know the latest gist, the latest gossip and all. Start a WhatsApp TV and start running ads. Everybody else that is starting every other business on this list is going to need to advertise, yeah, so you can charge them for it at, you know, affordable price, 24 hours, 48 hours, whatever. And yeah, you're already making money by just pressing your phone and posting on your status. So yeah. In the earlier part of this video, I mentioned services you can render. Now I'm going to mention things that you can sell. I'm going to rush through because I'm tired and I don't want this video to be too long. So first thing, you could sell food or snacks. See, everybody needs food. Food is a necessity. And in my school self, you can't even cook. So we always have to go and buy from the cafeteria, and the cafeteria is too far. So literally, if you have food to sell, if there's somebody selling food, I will buy food and snacks. In fact, that's what my room is known for. So you could sell food or you could sell snacks. Another thing you could sell are provisions or food stuff. Now, I'm not saying you should go and sell a tuber of yam, but if you can sell yam, why not? You do you. But you can sell like small things like sachets of some seasoning, like sachet thyme, sachets curry, you know, crayfish, salt. You know, for those of you that can actually cook in your school, let's say there's somebody that wants to prepare something, their salt has finished, they will just say get one, get where they sell salt for them, and then they'll come and buy from you and you would have made your money. You can also do provisions, you know, milk, Milo, cornflakes, everything. What I want to just tell you, see, just sell it the normal price, because you know that in school it's more expensive. If people know that you sell it for what they will buy when they're in their house, they would rather buy from you than buy from the school. So yeah, you can sell foodstuffs or, you know, provisions. You can also sell clothes. I mean, people want to look good, they want to look trendy. For schools that have like strict rules on clothes and people can't like easily see them, you can sell all those kinds of clothes in your school. So yeah, another thing you can sell are perfume oils. Those are really good. Everybody wants to smell good, so that's something students would definitely buy. Something I used to sell before. Something interesting, but you could also sell press-on nails. In fact, if you can do nails, you can also do that as well. Bring your tools, bring whatever you need. Not a lot of people do nails in school, so if you can do that, that would be really nice. And then you could also sell press-on nails and then help people, like, you know, wear it. Abi put it on. Abi, I don't even know the English anymore. Okay, so those are all the businesses on my list. Please comment which one you'd like to start and why. Also comment anything you want. Like this video if you haven't, and share, because we can all make money. Like, we can all make this money. Okay, thank you so much for watching. Let me know what other videos you'd like to see from me, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye guys.